Most small businesses know they need a website, but paying a designer, buying expensive tools, and dealing with complicated settings can make it feel impossible. But you do not need a large budget or coding experience to create a professional website for your business. In this video, I will show you how to create a small business website for free with Hostinger Horizons in only 3 simple steps. First, we will describe the business and generate the first version. Then, we will customize the design and information. Finally, we will test the website and prepare it for publishing. For this example, we are creating a website for a local cleaning company called Bright Nest Cleaning. It will include its services, business information, customer reviews, service area, and a contact form. You can test Hostinger Horizons for free using limited AI credits. This is useful because you can create and explore your first project before deciding whether you want to pay to publish it. I will leave the Hostinger Horizons link in the description so you can try it on your own. Let's begin with Step 1. Step 1. Create the first version. Now here comes my easiest part, turning a simple business idea into a complete website draft. When I describe the business using normal words, the AI creates the sections, text, buttons, and design. I literally do not need to write a single line of code, which is a game changer for beginners. Open Hostinger Horizons using the link in the description. You do not need to install anything. Hostinger will take you to its main dashboard, also called H-Panel. From the dashboard, open Websites, look for Horizons, click it, and select Get Started. You will see a chat box where you can describe the website you want to create. Before writing your prompt, answer 4 simple questions. What type of business is it? What services does it offer? Who are the customers? What action should visitors take? For our example, the company offers home and office cleaning. The main goal is to help customers request a free quote. Now enter this prompt. Create a clean and professional website for a local cleaning company called Bright Nest Cleaning. The company offers regular home cleaning, deep cleaning, move-out cleaning, and small office cleaning. Use a friendly blue and white design. Add a main section with a request a free quote button, a services section, a short About Us section, customer review placeholders, a service area section, and a simple contact form. Make the website trustworthy and easy to use on mobile phones. Send the prompt and wait for Horizons to generate the website. When I did this, the AI created the complete structure in just a few moments. I literally went from an empty project to a website I could preview and improve. Here is what most people do not know. The quality of the first result depends heavily on the prompt. Do not simply write a create a cleaning website. Include the business name, services, preferred colors, important sections, and the main action you want visitors to take. Because the free version includes limited AI credits, try to make every request clear and complete. This helps you avoid wasting credits on corrections that could have been included from the beginning. Now we have the first version, but we still need to make it feel like a real business. Step 2. Customize the website. Now here comes my favorite part, changing the first result to match the business. When I open the preview, the AI has already created the basic layout. I literally love this moment because instead of looking at a blank page, we have something real to work with. Start by checking the top section. The business name should be visible, the headline should explain the service, and the main button should be easy to find. For this example, we can use the headline, A Cleaner Home Without the Stress. Under it, we can add, Reliable home and office cleaning services for busy people in Austin. The main button can say, Request a free quote. Now, scroll down and check the services. Each service should have a short and simple explanation. Visitors should immediately understand the difference between regular cleaning, deep cleaning, move-out cleaning, and office cleaning. Next, check the About Us section. You do not need a long story. 2 or 3 sentences are enough. For example, Bright Nest Cleaning helps busy families and small businesses keep their spaces clean and comfortable. We focus on simple booking, clear communication, and reliable service. After that, review the customer testimonials. You can use placeholders while building the website, but a real business should only publish honest reviews from real customers. Now, let's improve several parts using one request. Enter this prompt. Improve the current website. Make the main headline larger, make the request a free quote button more visible, add simple icons to the services, shorten the About Us section, and make the contact area feel more friendly. Keep the blue and white design and do not add complicated animations. When I combine several changes in one prompt, the AI can update the website without using a separate request for every tiny detail. Here is what most people do not know. More design does not always create a better website. Small business customers normally want three things: clear information, trust, and an easy way to contact the company. They do not need 10 animations, 5 colors, or confusing menus. Now check the information manually. Make sure the business name is correct. Review the phone number, email address, service area, opening hours, buttons, and text. AI can create the structure, but you are still responsible for checking the final information. My pro tip is to correct important business details before changing small design elements. A correct phone number is more valuable than perfect spacing. The website now looks much more professional, but there is one final step that many beginners forget. We need to test whether customers can actually use it. Step 3. Test and prepare the website. Now here comes my most important part. Testing the website like a real customer. When I switch from the desktop preview to the mobile preview, the layout adjusts to the smaller screen. I literally check this every time because many customers will visit a local business website from their phones. First, test the Request a Free Quote button. It should take the visitor directly to the contact form. Second, check the form. Keep it simple. You can ask for the customer's name, phone number or email, service type, location, and a short message. Do not create a form with 15 questions. Every extra field makes it more likely that someone will leave before submitting it. Third, show the service area clearly. For example, serving Austin, Round Rock, and nearby areas. This helps visitors quickly understand whether the company works in their location. Fourth, check the mobile menu, images, text size, spacing, and buttons. Nothing should be cut off or difficult to read. The buttons should also be large enough to tap with one finger. Now enter this final request. Review the full website for mobile devices. Fix text that is too large or too small. Make every main button easy to tap. Connect the Request a Free Quote buttons to the contact section. Keep the form short and add a clear message after it is submitted. This is a game changer because we are asking the AI to focus on usability instead of adding random features. Here is what most people do not know. You should test the page as if you have never heard of the business. Can you understand the service in 5 seconds? Can you find the main contact button? Can you complete the form from your phone? You can also ask a friend to test it. Someone who did not build the website may notice a confusing sentence or broken button immediately. Once you are happy with the result, your free draft is ready. Remember that the free option is mainly for creating and testing the project with limited AI credits. To publish the website online, connect hosting, and use a custom domain, you may need to select one of the available paid plans. Hiring a professional website can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars, and learning to code takes time. With Hostinger Horizons, you can create and test your small business website for free before deciding to upgrade and publish. No coding or design experience is required. Just start with a simple prompt. While AI can make mistakes, you can quickly review, edit, and improve everything. It's an easy way to test your idea before investing in a professional website. And that is how you can create a small business website for free with Hostinger Horizons in only 3 steps. First, describe the business and generate the website. Second, customize the design, services, and contact information. Third, test the website on desktop and mobile before publishing it. I will leave the Hostinger Horizons link in the description so you can test the free option and follow the same process. Again, there is no special coupon or additional discount connected to our link. Let me know in the comments what type of small business website you are creating. It could be for a restaurant, cleaning service, salon, repair company, personal service, or something completely different. And subscribe because in the next tutorial, I will show you how to improve a simple business website with stronger sections, better calls to action, and a cleaner mobile design.